What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be installing this bad boy right here. It is the HydroBlast windshield washer fluid heating system. Easy installation, can be mounted in any position. Reduce wear and tear of wiper blades, works on demand. But we're going to wire it up. We're going to wire it up to a switch here underneath my dash here to where I can turn it on, off and on, because I don't want it to be running all the time, just when I need it. I'm also going to be installing a separate washer fluid reservoir that has its own pump and my own nozzle, so it shoots up right here on the driver's side. So stay tuned for that. Let's get ready. Let's do it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do to install this windshield washer fluid heater is mount it, and I think I'm going to mount it right here. I've already got this little small tank that I'm going to use because I want to have a special formula for melting ice and snow in here that's going to be hooked up to my heater. So I've already mounted that. I'll put a video. Here's a video of me got that mounted. So alright, got it mounted. Now I'm going to hook up a hose from there to the tank. Ran my tubing up, zip tied it into the inlet, and then that goes out to my new nozzles that I'm going to be installing. Alright, next thing I'm going to do, I bought this metal with holes in it. I don't know what the technical name for it is, but I needed to find me a mounting location because those holes, my nozzle is going to fit in there, and it's bendable. And I just found me a nice location. It's going to be straight. I just got to move it because I got to cut a piece. I got to cut out a notch, and that right there, so it'll go through it, so I can put the seal back on. And then I'll get that all mounted. I'll mount the nozzle, and then I'll run a tube from the from the heater to the nozzle, and then I got to run the electrical cables. That's going to power that, and it's going to power the pump. All right, got my bracket mounted. See, it goes. I cut the notch out to go through, and then my nozzle is going to be mounted, this hole or that hole, and it's going to be angled, and it's going to hit my. All right, got my nozzle mounted. You see right there. Got the hose hooked up. Nice little hole right here that was already there into the outlet side of the heater. Now I just got to run power to it so I can see where that's going to hit at, and then I can. This is bendable, so I can adjust. Got my hose ran, zip tied. Got my heater mounted. Zip tie connected to the inlet, to the outlet. I got to go in there. That's a little bracket I made. Little notch I cut out. And there's my nozzle. I just got to run power to it and put some washer fluid in there and test it out. Alright, I got it all wired up except for the switch for the pump. I got to order another one. Got it wired up. The heater's wired up. Got it hooked up to the battery. I just got to put a switch on it. Got my switch all wired up. See, it lights up blue. That's the switch right there. This is switch to my heater. Flip it up, it lights up blue. This is a momentary switch that does the washer fluid pump. Alright, everything's hooked up. Got my little mini reservoir, washer fluid with special formula. Comes with the pump, got it wired up. Got my washer fluid heater wired up. Hose goes from here up into the inlet side, and then the outlet side goes to my nozzle, which I don't have it plugged in yet because I'm letting it dry. And then after that, I'm gonna test it out, make some final tweaks if needed, and that'll be good to go. All right, guys, I got this all hooked up. Now watch right here. You'll see the spray come up when I hit the button on the dash. I don't have my truck on, so I can't do my wipers. But anyway, that's what it does. All right, what's going on, y'all? Got everything installed. It's working great. However, I might tweak it some. I don't really like the nozzle. I found this other nozzle that I like that actually has 3 holes. Kind of like you got 1 hole here, 1 hole here, 1 hole here. So the theory of it is one it's going to spray, and then the other 2 are going to go out that way. So it'll cover more and whatnot. The purpose of this washer heater, 2 purposes actually. One, in the winter time, if you know, say I park overnight, wake up in the morning and there's snow or ice on my windshield, you know, start my truck up, turn the heater on. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds for the initial heat up, and then I can spray and melt the ice. The other purpose of it is, you know, during the summertime, when I change my formula in the tank for getting bugs and stuff off, I can turn that heater on, and then once it heats up, then I can hit my windshield with it with the heat, because it heats it up to about 120, 140 degrees. Plus with the whatever I add to it to get the bugs off, it'll get the bugs off. So 2 purposes. But anyway, that's it. I hope you like this video. I need to work on, I got one of those head mounts or chest mount that I'm gonna mess with and actually capture video of me actually doing the install, you know, drilling, you know, whatever. But anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the new year, it's 2020. I'm gonna be a lot more active on my channel. I haven't been so here lately, but I'm going to be. Also, check out my social media, my Facebook page, my Instagram, Twitter, and of course my YouTube channel. So comment down below what you think. I'll have a link down below where you can get this HydroBlast heater. Like I said, it's simple to install. If you know basic mechanical skills and basic wiring, then you can install this. It's got to have a power source, so you got to hook up the battery. However, it does come with a 60 amp fuse, and it only works if you have 13, I think it's 13.2 volts to it. So basically it's designed, you know, for a car. When you turn your car engine on, you start it, it'll come on, stays on all the time. When you shut the car off, it automatically shuts off because there's not enough volts going to it. However, in the truck here, the reason why I wired a switch up to it is because even when I shut my truck off and I turn my generator on, right now my volt gauge is reading 13.6. So it will be on all the time, even when I don't want it on, and I don't want it running all the time. So anyway, that's why. So anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video.